Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll see unpivoting the columns in the Power BI query editor. Okay, so let's see the requirement sheet first. Here we have a task to unpivot columns and use that in the data model. Okay, here we are having this scenario. One of your colleagues has created an excellent pivot table within Excel. While it may look excellent there, however, it causes problem within the data model. Okay, so here we have a data like this. So this is the column and this is the month. This is in the pivoted form. Okay, so we need to unpivot that, and then we need to bring that data in the query editor, and from there we need to unpivot that, and then we have to create the line chart based on this result. Okay, so after creating this chart, we need to also import the month numbers table. So we have two tables there. We need to import that two tables, and then join that two tables with each other, and then we need to create this line chart also. Okay, and also we need to sort the month by month number. So let's start how to create it in the Power BI desktop. So here we have in the Power BI desktop, we have the data loaded in this file. We have this cost file and we have this sheet file. Okay, so first of all, for unpivoting the data, we have to go to the query editor. So this is the query editor, Power BI query editor. Here we can do the transformations like splitting this column, setting first row as a header, removing some blank rows like that. Okay, we have to unpivot these all columns. Okay, so for unpivoting all that columns, we need to select the first column, and then we have to right click over on this column, and then we have to click on the unpivot other columns option. Okay, here we have these two columns. So attribute means the all the months whatever they are in the data, and this is the value of that month. Okay, then we can change the name of that column. So here we can put it as a value. We can change the data type from here, so as per our requirement. Okay, so in this way we can unpivot this table. In the sheet 1 we have this month and we have this month number, so this is in the proper data format. Okay, so then we have to close it and apply it on the Power BI desktop. Okay, so now we have a data in the unpivoted form. We have this column 1, month, and the values. Okay, so now we have to connect it with each other. So here we have a common column between two is month. So we are connecting this month to this month. Okay. And also we have to sort that month from the sheet 1. We have to sort this month by month number. So after selecting this month column, we have to click over here on the sort by month number. Okay. This will sort according to month numbers then. Then we have to create the line charts. So here we have that line charts. So how do we create it is we have the data now and we have unpivoted that. So for this line chart, I have taken it from this visualization pane. This is the line chart. After taking this visualization here, we have to add that fields over here. On the x-axis, I have added the month from dragging and dropping here from the cost table. Okay, then I have added in the y-axis value, and I have added the legend. This column 1 is that legend. This is the legend. So here we have categories A to B, C to D, E, F, G, H, and K, and L. Then we have to take it in the legend. Okay, so that we are able to see that all the lines as per all the categories. Okay, so from this line we can analyze this is the, so here we will get the tooltip also. So for September we have these values for these categories likewise. Okay, so we can analyze that, and also we can give the formatting. We can change the colors of that lines from here. So we have this colors option. We can change the colors of that lines. Okay, and we can do the formatting as we want. So I have explained it in my previous video for line chart. You can see that video. I will share the link here. Okay, same, this is the value by sorted month and grades. Okay, so here we have not the sorted months are there, like here we are getting randomly September, July, then August, then April, like that. So we want in this visual we are having this I just sorted like January, then February, then March, like that up to December. So for sorting this, we have to sort this from the data. So we have to click on the month, and then as we sorted before, so we have to sort that, then we are able to see the data in the sequence. Okay, So in this way we can sort these months and we can unpivot the data from query editor. I will do more videos on the query editor. Up to that, please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos. Up to that, bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching this video.